My name is Matt Buell with Buell Studio, and on behalf of the Woodworking Network, your Young Wood Pro 2026, sponsored by Castle. Hope everybody's had a good year so far, and I'm grateful to be back as your host and one of the judges, as usual. The contest opens April 7th and ends May 22nd. And by open, I mean the submissions will be open for them. So we're getting this out there to you now so that I can throw a few things out there, get some things percolating in your mind on how you might want to go about your submissions. We're doing it pretty much like last year because last year went unbelievably well. The submissions will be online and you'll be able to present a photo and a little of the thinking behind it. They'll be posting in hashtag with hashtag YoungWoodPro. For more info about that, go to the Woodworking Network's website, woodworkingnetwork.com, and go to the Young Wood Pro section and you can get all the details about eligibility, stuff like that. I'm not going to bore you with all those things today. Last year's stuff was unbelievable. As a matter of fact, I think I've been hosting this contest. This is my 4th year. Every year the submissions, the quality of them has increased. Every year. The amount of submissions has also increased, which is great. That's the goal, man. Last year's, though, good Lord. If you're submitting this year, bring your A game. I was blown away last year. And the winner was, I envied their work. They were so talented and professional. So, gonna have to raise your game this year, bring it up a notch, because I'm hopeful and I feel confident that we're gonna see that trend continue. All right? I want to throw a couple little things out there to help you. So as one of the judges, something I saw last year was, there were so many entries that really were worthy of consideration and decent conversation amongst judges as to what direction we wanted to go. It wasn't just like, that's easy. And the year before last as well, but last year, there were so many good submissions. And to me, the little details can really set it apart. You know, because we could have 4 or 5 really good pieces in pictures to choose from. Okay, well, if they're all equal in value, then what are the other parts of it? So I wanted to throw it out here. It's the Young Wood Pro, which means you are an aspiring young woodworking professional. I've been a professional woodworker for going on 17 years, 16 years. I don't even know anymore, to be honest. And so we're looking at your mindset too. It's not just about the piece. I mean, obviously your piece needs to be good. But what goes into the thinking behind it? And your presentation, is it professional, like is the same way in which you would take a portfolio to a designer or to a client? Okay? So I really, really suggest you putting a little extra thought into what that looks like to help lift your submission up even more. Last year's winner is a great example of that. Go back and check it out. Oh my God, that piece is stunning. I kind of want it still. I'm feeling pretty confident though. This year is going to be really good. But I wanted to get this out there to you to give you a little time to think about it. Don't be surprised if there might be another video or two coming from me in the next month or two that talks about maybe professionalism, or maybe I'll even do a video and an article about what a submission would look like if I were submitting one. That'd be a challenge. Anyway, grateful to have you guys along. Stay tuned in, more to come. Get your submissions ready. Start working on it.